I think it affects China more than the U.S. because, as you know, China's economy has been very dependent upon exports, although they're moving more and more towards a domestic-led economy, but there's still significantly amount of exports. The interesting thing that's happening is a lot of the manufacturing, the high labor cost manufacturing in China is moving offshore. And I think the government is encouraging that sort of thing. I was in Hong Kong a few weeks ago and talking to the largest manufacturer of baseball caps, and she said that she moved most of her production to Bangladesh. So I think it's a very interesting development that you're seeing, and a lot of people are afraid that maybe the U.S. Prices of consumer goods are going to go up as a result of this. I don't think so, because there's going to be a lot of sources like Bangladesh, Vietnam, where Chinese manufacturers have moved their production.
So, and even if we do see the tariffs kick in midnight tonight up to 25%, do you think that would hit global growth and U.S. growth in particular, or would the effect be marginal?
I think it'll be marginal. I think the initial effect, of course, will be very psychological. Markets may react, but it will be very short term. The U.S. economy is rolling along, as you well know. The Chinese economy is still growing at 6%. If you're looking at a very conservative number, maybe 5%. So I don't think it's going to have a very big impact.
Mark, who gets hurt the most when China feels the heat? I mean, Chinese stocks are down 8% this week on this turn in tone on the U.S.-China trade talks. Where does that reverberate? Who feels it?
The countries in Southeast Asia, in fact, all of the countries in Asia would be affected by this. From Korea all the way down to Indonesia, because China is the largest trading partner for most of these countries. So to the degree that the Chinese are buying less, these countries would be affected.